Halos na lang makita ng
Yeah, so bright.
Uy, nag-ayo.
Don't mind it.
Ako anak ah. Sanay ba kaya na? Larga.
Attack.
Kung hindi ka mamagawa na ito, hindi wala ito sa'yo kung bata sa RS, lima. Ano ba? Eh, sundin mo bata sa RS?
Attacking chickens are my favorite.
Kung gusto ka
Yeah.
na, ilong dito ka dito.
They give
Pero kung
free
hindi ka
food.
gusto, di kita ka
Has a lot of
gusto.
chickens.
Di ba ako? Dili lang po ma. Sige, asa man yung gusto? City high mo.
Where the other pets go? Yeah, you feed them there. Eat that. Give them a chance. Hey, Ref, you're not done fun. You're not done eating.
Di man siya, dili ka sa
It's okay, you can eat another food.
Wala, secretive ba? Daw, kay maabta naman
Go
ako
eat that.
sa kamagta ng mata ko ba nga mag-unang tubig. Maabta na ko siya, matulog naman sa
You
misa.
go eat it.
Nga nagbuhad-had sa iyang mga kuan. Maluoy ko, alauna las dos, ito na nakatulog.
At take a duck. The duck peanut. What?
Kung sa
The
man,
duck.
pag klaro-klaro kay
Attacking ducks and chickens are my favorite, but ducks are too strong. I like ducks. They give more food.
Hadlok ko. Ito pagtugan.
Make sure to let them follow in case there's 2 ducks. Or 3 ducks. What? 3? You have more food now.
Stressful, hindi tayo.
When I was attacking 1 duck, 2 ducks would chase
Pag
me.
ako ma-stress,
And I died immediately.
puntang ni sila, ma'am.
Amo ba?
Ipaon mo nang naulan.
Just following the duck.
Supposedly, grade 5 na ning isa, kang isa grade 3. Nag-undang yun sila sa pandemic. Kaya bisag ako,
Sila yung na grade ko.
kanya kong grade 2, 9.
Pati
Kanya
ko
kanya
po.
isa. Nangutana lagi ko before, kung mawala ba yung
Do
acceleration?
it.
Kanang before
Yes.
start.
Go. 4, 5,
Mo
6.
lagi itong sa una last
Bye,
year,
bye.
nawala.
Bye, bye, bye.
Ana ah?
Bye,
So,
bye.
mag-take sila
That's the.
before mag-opening?
It's the. Ano, the.
Start din siya. Pag-start diya na, mag-fill up.
Amo ba?
The Resmi,
Asa
I
sa
think. Or
teacher
Sigma
pumunta
man.
naman?
Sa teacher, kami.
I swore.
Amo ba?
Mag-asa ba? Next year po, ma-apply
I tried to defeat Shepherd, but the Shepherd is easy to get. But they goes attacking me. This is near the boss. No, Shepherd is the easiest boss. I defeated lots of times before, even though on a low level. But
Okay na yung July.
that's literally easiest.
July.
You have 2 humans.
Okay.
Peanut, you're low.
Yan na. May puno.
Nag-i-try ka na.
Here. That one. You're still attacking? Yeah. Now get the other one. Someone leveled up. Nice. Who leveled up? Nice.
After pandemic.
Oh, this one leveled up. Oh, this one. Oh, the same level. Yes. Hey, make me strong too. Oh, you're broke. You're broke. You're broke. Hey, look, I'm stronger. Yes. And you have to help 20. Oh, you have 20? No, this one. Oh, how about yours? Huh, Peanut, why? Peanut, that's not fair. I've been saving up for this, but they don't want to save it. Peanut, but I want that. I mean, I want to be stronger like you too. Go back to the family one. Yeah, go to the family. You should be all the same. Play as you. No, you're gonna play as me. Oh, I tested out. No, it's weak. Okay, I'll stop recording.